This is Honor X7, and today we will show how you can activate, manage and use the keyboard clipboard on this device. So first of all, you need to launch the keyboard. In here, tap on this very icon that stands for the clipboard itself. Then go for the Manage section. Once at the clipboard settings page, turn the Remember Copied Items toggle on. And that will essentially mean that we have successfully activated the clipboard on this device, the keyboard clipboard of course. Next, if you would like to remove any of the elements you have at your clipboard, simply swipe them to the left, just like so. On the other hand, if you would like for something to be added to it, just copy anything basically. So I'll select this set of characters, copy them, and once I get back to the clipboard, I'll see that it has been successfully added as its most recent element. And from here, if you would like to use any of the elements you have at your keyboard clipboard, simply tap on them, and that will be pasted into whatever typing bar or typing space you've launched the keyboard from. You can also pin your elements and remove, as well as undo the deletion. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.